मुझसे करोगे बदतमीजी तो तुम्हारी तोड़ दूंगा मैं। चैप्टर 32 ही। अब मैं बताता हूँ बदतमीजी क्या हो रखी है इधर। इन्होंने चैप्टर 32 दे रखा है पर इन्होंने आगे से शुरू कर रखा है कि फोर्थ स्टेज, लेकिन पिछले चैप्टर में 31st चैप्टर के एंड में जो इधर ही दे रखा था उसमें हमें एंड नहीं दिखाया था। और ये देखो चैप्टर 33 है ये टेक्निकली बुक का, मतलब जो का। और चैप्टर 32 नाम से दे रखा है। तो इस एपिसोड के लिए हम थोड़ा सा वो कर लेंगे, क्या बोलते हैं, कॉम्प्रोमाइज, और इधर से पढ़ लेंगे, ठीक है। तो चैप्टर 31, थर्ड स्टेज गोल। वे क्या विद द रॉकी माउंटेन्स इन द बैकग्राउंड, द डिस्टेंस टू द गोल हैज shrunk to 3 kilometers. Let's take a look now at each of the racers. In the front of the crowd we have Poco Loco from Georgia. तो लकी वाला बंदा सबसे आगे चल रहा है, followed by the barefoot runner Sandman from the Mongolian horse riding tribe Dothan. Gauchi from Mexico. क्या बाबा यागा फ्रॉम द रशियन मिलिट्री। ठीक है भाई। और फिर क्या, एंड विद सम स्पेस इन बिटवीन जायरो जेपली, देन जॉनी जोस्टा। अच्छा तो ये लोग पीछे क्यों चल रहे हैं, तो आगे होने चाहिए। अच्छा ये लोग ऐसे लड़ाई वड़ाई करते रहते हैं लोगों से, ये भी है। देन जॉनी जोस्टा हु इज करेंटली रेनिंग इन थर्ड, एंड इंग्लैंड्स डियो ब्रांडो, डिएगो ब्रांडो, जो भी एक ही बात है। तो इस ऑर्डर में लोग हैं, पोको लोको, सैंडमैन, फिर वो वाले लोग, अजीब वाले लोग, ठीक है, डॉट हान, और पता नहीं कौची, पता नहीं कौन कौन। एंड नाउ इट इज डिएगो ब्रांडो हु इज एक्टिंग बिजार। Dio is ranked first as of the end of second stage with 150 points. Sandman is in second with 140 points. हाँ तो ये चल रहा है। जॉनी जोस्टर अभी के हिसाब से टोटल पॉइंट्स के हिसाब से थर्ड है 80 पॉइंट्स के साथ। और जायरो तो बहुत ही पीछे है। If he can only beat Sandman, Diego Brando can take the lead. His biggest rival is Sandman, who is only 10 points behind. But for some reason, Dio is going after Jairo Zeppeli, ranked in 6th place with 36 points. He is taking right behind him. It seems he is thinking that as long as he can beat Jairo Zeppeli, he may as well have won this stage. It seems that Dio is unconcerned with Sandman, who is far ahead. अरे भाग के पीछा कर रहे हैं। जायरो देखता है क्या हुआ। Dio on that mountain. He's come to understand his stand ability. Is he going to start something here? Will he attack us here? No, Gyro, there is no way Dio would risk being disqualified right here in front of the goal, where the balloons are watching. He's planning on defeating you in this stage without breaking any rules. To him, moving past you is as good as moving past Sandman, which would lead him to victory. It's his fighting intuition. But be ready, Gyro. Dio is calculating, even from this distance. The breath rate of our horses, their pulse. अरे यार डियो तो पूरा ही एकदम जानवर राक्षस की तरह लग रहा है। Their perspiration, their stride length, that's what he's using his new dinosaur ability for. Dio is stealing our data more perfectly than ever. डाटा स्टीलिंग कर रहा है डियो, स्कैमर निकला। और ये बलून्स हवा में है, इन लोगों को, रेसर्स को पॉन्ड के इधर से जाना है। अब मेरे हिसाब से तो जो ये जंगली काम करते हैं बीच बीच में जायरो वगैरह लोग, वो सीधा पानी से चले जाएंगे, लेकिन पानी बहुत ज्यादा ड्रैग देगा मेरे हिसाब से। Now, right before the goal, we have Lake Cannon with a circumference of 3,900 kilometers. Let me explain the lay of the land. If the racers choose to go right, they will be taking the waterside route. It's flat, but there's a fairly lengthy 2,400 meter until the finish line. अच्छा सॉरी, किलोमीटर पढ़ लिया मैंने, मीटर। एक सेकंड, किलोमीटर ही लिखा है इधर, मैंने गलत नहीं पढ़ा, इन लोगों ने गलत लिखा है, पर समझ लिया वो क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं। तो इधर से जाओगे तो 2,400 मीटर पड़ेगा, पर फ्लैट लगेगा। चूजिंग लेफ्ट मीन्स 700 मीटर शॉर्टर रूट ऑफ 1,700 मीटर, बट दैट रोड्स ऑन अ क्लिफ एंड हैज मेनी अप्स एंड डाउन्स। तो एसेंशियली लेफ्ट छोटा है पर ज्यादा उबड़ खाबड़ है, राइट चपटा है पर ज्यादा लंबा है। विच रूट विल दे चूज? How will it affect the muscles of the horses that have been traveling through the mountains for 5 days? This is a new experience for everybody. Even the horses, their choice will be their gamble. फिर we have to go right gyro. Don't say left. Think of the horses. The key to victory will be how much rest we can give our horses. As expected, Sandman has headed left. हाँ सैंडमैन तो वैसे ही जाएगा, सैंडमैन को तो वो एडवांटेज होगा वहां से यार। लेकिन अगर सैंडमैन लेफ्ट चला गया तो लोगों ने फिर चॉइस खत्म हो गई। अगर जीतने का चांस चाहिए तो उनको भी लेफ्ट ही जाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि सैंडमैन तो उबड़ खाबड़ में बल्कि जल्दी करेगा हॉर्सेस के मुकाबले। ओ एंड पोको लोको फॉलोज, ही इज टेकिंग हिज चांसेस विद द क्लिफ। The ones going right are Dot Han, followed by Baba Yaga and Gaucho, who has switched sides, who have switched places. तो बेसिकली बाबा यागा सैंडमैन सॉरी बाबा यागा डॉट हान और गौचो ये लोग हैं अच्छे रेसर्स, जो नॉर्मल रेसर्स हमें रेफरेंस पॉइंट के लिए दे रखे हैं कि अच्छे रेसर्स नॉर्मल वाले ये लोग हैं, बाकी लोग पागल है स्टैंड वगैरह वाले। जॉनी, यू आर राइट, विल रेस्ट द हॉर्सेस, विल गो दिस वे, लुक एट द मैप ऑफ द लेक। See the depth of the lake. It's only 2.2 meters at its deepest. Valkyrie can cross it. The length is only 450 meters. Super short. अबे यार पर थक नहीं जाएगी? ये सीधा पानी में चला गया। भैंस की आंख। ये देख रहा है डीएगो भी इसके पीछे पीछे पानी में चला गया। जॉनी देख के सोच रहा है भाई क्या पागल लोगों के साथ फंस गया मैं। What? You've gotta be kidding. What a surprise. A third route. Diego Brando follows Jairo Zeppelin into the lake. मैंने कहा था पागल लोग यहीं से जाएंगे। But it may not be the wisest of choices. The water resistance will wear out the horses like nothing else. And yet Dio, the genius jockey, has chosen that route. The distance is a much shorter 450 meter. It may just be the fastest route. This race has just gotten a hell of a lot more interesting. A hell of a battle right in front of the goal. Fuck. If you're scared, don't come. Is that it, Gyro? Damn Gyro. Johnny भी कूद गया. This is nuts, Gyro. It's like a horse carrying another horse while crossing. The water resistance requires muscles that aren't usually used. What if there's mud at the bottom? At that point, our horses will be finished. That's why I'm slowing to minimum. I won't put the stress on the limbs. Just the speed. I need to get ahead of the rest going around the lake. I'm sure that's what Dio's planning too. हाँ? तो लिम्स पे स्ट्रेस नहीं डालेगा तो कैसे जाएगा आगे? I'm going to get 100 points on this stage, no matter what. Or else we'll be even further away from victory. I came to this race to win. My fatherland is waiting. Let's go back, Gyro. It's not too late. Let's go back to the shore and go around from right. You can't defeat Dio. I don't want to say it, but this is my prediction. You won't get first place in the race. This isn't about Dio calculating a horse's pulses or his dinosaur ability. It's not about your weak points. That's not what I'm talking about. It's well, how do you say, you should have been able to win the first and second stages based on technique and drive. You could have won. What is it? Just say it. Hey Johnny Joestar, if you are going to come and talk to me like you're so great, then say it clearly. I'm being clear. You will lose to Dio. I can tell. You can't beat Sandman either. I can tell from experience. You may be thinking that the reasons you lost on the first and second stages were because of troubles and accidents, but that's not it. There's a certain thing behind it all that caused your defeat. You have learned and inherited from your country and parents. You're running this race with technique and energy. I understand that. You're cornered in a situation where you have to save an innocent boy sentenced to death. But those are all things that you have inherited. You are the one who has continually inherited. Dio is different. He has stolen everything from his horse skills to his social status, even food. Ever since his birth, Dio has been a person who has even stolen destiny. Dio is someone who's hungered. You are a successor. I am not saying which is good or bad. The difference will show in the desperate movements of the race. That difference will steal your victory and eat you up. Johnny, so is that what you are trying to say? That I am spoiled by my parents and a coward? Is that it? You can't win unless you hunger. Oh, Johnny तो motivational speaker बन गया. But not like Dio. You need to hunger in a much more noble manner. I'm going back to show. Sorry, but I'm taking the route to the right. What did you say? What's this now? Dio has sped up. Is it to uh, agitate Gyro, or is it because everything has already been planned out? It looks like he wants to reach the shore and भाई साहब इतना छोटा क्यों है? It looks like he wants to reach the shore. अरे यार बात तेरी. It looks like he wants to reach the shore and take the head position. Already one third of the way. He's slowly but surely distancing himself from Gyro. Shit. तो पर इसमें उसकी डायनासोर यार एक सेकेंड इसमें उसकी डायनासोर पावर्स कैसे हेल्प कर रही हैं? Gyro, you can't win unless you hunger for it. But slowly you can grow slowly. If you can grow slowly, then it will be someone like you, one of inheritance, who will win this race. You can be second or third on this stage. The race is still long. That's what I want to see. What I want to learn from you. That's why I wanted to follow you on the steel ball run race. And amazing, Gyro is going for it. He's going to accept Dio's challenge. He's speeding up. Johnny, that fucker. और उधर से सैंडमैन भी आगे निकल रहा है. Shit, because of all that weird stuff he said. Valkyrie sensed that I am agitated. Damn it, it's throwing me off. Johnny doesn't understand your potential. He thinks we are just some idiots crossing a lake. But Valkyrie, you've got a special skill waiting for when we land on the other side. That's why we need to be careful not to get distracted by Dio's movements while we are in the water. Gyro's horse pulse currently 198, 196 जो भी. इनको हॉर्स की पल्स कैसे पता है? अच्छा सॉरी मुझे लगा अनाउंसर्स बोलते हैं तो डिएगो बोलता है. डिएगो के पास तो अपनी पावर्स हैं. After breathing twice, it will take a deep breath and shift its body to the left. फिर से वही बात. और लेफ्ट की तरफ हल्का सा शिफ्ट किया. Then it will shake its neck. Okay, neck भी shake हुई. फिर neither Gyro nor his horse know this, but his horse will step onto the land with its left foot, and anticipating the length of the horse's stride, it will step on that branch with its 75th step, about 300 meters from the goal. If indeed it steps on that branch, that's where the horse reaches its top speed. Its pulse race will be 263. At that moment, the horse will be overcome with fatigue. So although I'm taking a risk by crossing this lake so quickly, if I can stay ahead of Gyro at the point of that branch, there is no way he can catch up to my horse. Until then, all I have to do is stay ahead. Just until that branch. Stay ahead. Dot Han, Gaucho and Baba Yaga are speeding up. They are coming around from the right hand side. Sandman has cleared the cliffs and is also heading straight towards the goal. And it looks like Dio's finally back on land. Left foot, sorry, गलत panel पढ़ लिया. Yeah, Dio is in the lead. It's Dio, 500 meters remaining. Not Valkyrie. Not yet Valkyrie. Don't get excited yet. Save your energy until the very end. Poco Loco has also cleared the cliffs. Don't run yet. This lake is a vacation resort. Think of it as Caribbean beach. Johnny Joestar is closing in on Dot Han. Not yet. A little more. Rest a little bit more. And now Gyro Zeppeli is finally back on the land. My left foot. क्या हुआ? एक सेकंड. Gyro Zeppeli लैंड पे है और क्या हुआ इसके लेफ्ट फुट को? And he begins to accelerate. Gyro Zeppeli, he is now running at a tremendous speed. ये क्या हो रहा है? मुझे ये समझ नहीं आया कि ये क्या हुआ. इसने अपना पैर जोर से मारा. It's almost as if a hunting dog going after a rabbit. He's right on Dio's tail. कैसे? Good Lord, Gyro Zeppeli is beginning to throw his luggage off his horse. He must be trying to lighten his horse's burden. His blanket soaked with water, his wet leather bag, his canteen, everything. He's steadily increasing speed as he discards his thing. He's even getting rid of his saddle. Shit. The only things he's keeping are his reins. Everything else is being tossed aside. इसने अपनी बेल्ट खोल दी. इसने अपना जैकेट वैकेट वेस्ट सब फेंक दिया. He's thrown off his jacket and cape. Even his trademark holster. और जायरो ऑलमोस्ट यार जोजो में मुझे बहुत पसंद है जैसे ऐसे बकवास चीजें होती है ना कि अरे यहाँ से ऐसे जीतेगा. 3 more steps, 2, 1 step. ये डीओ अपने मन में गिन रहा है कि कब आगे निकलेगा जो भी. और क्या लिखा है? ऑल राइट, एक सेकेंड. He's reached his top speed by now, and I'm still ahead. But he can't shorten his distance. Gyro Zeppeli. He can't catch up. He can't take the lead. Valkyrie can't go faster. आ जाएगा क्या? And now he's slowing down with 200 meters left. Both are feeling the strain from crossing the lake. But Dio is still managing to stay ahead. Falling behind. Looks like fatigue is finally taking a toll on Gyro. Suddenly, the gap is widening. Poco Loco has just passed Gyro. He's running. Dio continues to stay ahead. और जायरो नॉर्मली जा रहा था. उसके घोड़े ने ऐसे सांस ली, बहुत सारी बाहर निकाली. जायरो को शॉक हुआ. और क्या ये डिएगो सबसे आगे है और जायरो इधर है, पोको लोको इधर है. इसने अपनी स्टील बॉल क्या? एक सेकेंड, सॉरी गाइस, मुझे एक बार समझने दो चल क्या रहा है इधर. Gyro Zeppeli is falling behind. Dot Han is coming up behind him, only half a horse length away. जायरो ने अपनी बॉल ली. एक सेकेंड, क्या चल रहा है इधर? जायरो ने अपनी बॉल ली, खुद को मारा, इसके हाथ वहां टर्न होने लगे और इतना घूमने लगा कि ये क्या अपने को निचोड़ के अपना ही पानी निकाल रहा है. हाउ इज दिस वेट वैल्क्री? इज दिस अ लिटिल लाइटर? They say that 70% of the human body is water. Show some guts, Valkyrie. We were called spoiled cowards. Is that right? You're not a coward, are you? और ये खुद को निचोड़ रहा है बंदा. These steel balls that I've inherited from my homeland. The steel balls are on your side. On our side. Gyro Zeppeli is sweating buckets. His sweat is running off him like a Colorado river. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. With 80 meters left, Gyro, who had fallen behind, is accelerating once more. He finally takes the lead from Dio. Impossible. That should have been his top speed. That was his limit. And yet he accelerated. और 666. क्या U6666? फिर 6666? क्या लिखा है? Gastroliths. Spit. क्या? अच्छा, तो इसने भी वो पत्थर खा रखा था क्या इसने अपने अंदर से? जो ये डाइजेशन के लिए जायरो मतलब डीओ डाइजेशन के लिए जो पत्थर खाता था, जो इसने जॉनी को दिखाया था, तो इसने अपने पत्थर थूक दिया और वो जाके जायरो के घोड़े के पैर पे लगा. Valkyrie is wobbling. He's losing her balance. Gyro Zeppeli tumbles. 30 meters remaining. 10 meters. जॉनी जीत गया. Johnny Joestar! Johnny Joestar! What a turn of events. The order is Johnny Joestar, Diego Brando, then Gyro Zeppeli. Followed by Poco Loco running in. Sandman, 50% of... क्या? एक सेकेंड, सॉरी गाइस, मेरे को दिख नहीं रहा, मैं थोड़ा जूम इन कर लेता हूँ. Followed by Poco Loco running in. Sandman, Dot Han, Baba Yaga, क्या? Mac the Knife, and Gaucho, who fell behind. There was an incident right before the goal where Diego Brando stepped on a small rock, which happened to hit Gyro's horse, and during the time from the two racers lost their balance due to this incident. Johnny Joestar came to the lead. और ये जीत गया. डिएगो गुस्से से देख रहा है. It was only by chance that Dio happened to step on rock. There is no proof that it was intentional. Therefore, Diego Brando will not be disqualified. जायरो गुस्सा आ रहा है भाई, गुस्सा तो होना चाहिए. हाँ, फिर क्या? The reason for my defeat wasn't because of an accident, but something that looms behind me, you said. Maybe you are right, Johnny. It may just be as you said, a need to hunger more than Dio. And even more than you, Johnny. You're trying to find that corpse of the saint during the race, and that's what you want more than anything. You are hungering for it. You want it no matter what. Maybe I should try to follow your example. Maybe seriously searching for those cops will help me grow a little. अरे यार, जारो के साथ इतना बुरा होता हूँ मैं। और ये चैप्टर खत्म। तो अब ये अपना देखते हैं रिजल्ट्स। बूम बूम। और फ्लिप राइट नहीं करना मुझे, थोड़ा सा इधर, हाँ, एक जूम और। तो अब रिजल्ट्स ये हैं अपने। हॉट पैंट्स जो भी। एट दिस पॉइंट द फोर्थ स्टेज हैज ऑलरेडी बिगन। Johnny Joestar is one who conquered the dead heat just now, but an hour ago. Hot Pants had already passed through the finish line to take the first place. क्या? ये क्या बकवास है? What, the already passed the finish line? Therefore, the placement for the third stage are listed on the chart to the right. Hot Pants receive 100 points and a bonus, 1 hour time bonus. ये कैसे? ये कब? पॉइंट रिसीव, तो हॉट पैंट्स को 100 पॉइंट मिले, तो अब ये टोटल है 155 पे जो है थर्ड, तो ये टोटल रेस में थर्ड है। फिर जॉनी जोस्टार जिसका टोटल 130 है क्योंकि इस बार उसको 50 मिले। फिर डिएगो ब्रांडो जिसको 40 मिले, तो वो फर्स्ट चल रहा अभी भी टोटली। फिर जायरो जेपली नेक लेंथ से पीछे था दोनों से, उसको 35 मिले, तो वो 71 है, तो वो टोटल 6 चल रहा है। तो जायरो ने शायद एक और अपना वो लूज कर दिया ना प्लेस। पोगो लोको को 30 मिले, तो 83 जायरो से आगे है। सैंडमैन को टोटल 165, तो ये तो जायरो से बहुत ही आगे सेकंड पे। बाकी सब प्लेसमेंट अननोन अननोन अननोन, बाकी सबका हो जाएगा। बाबा यागा, मैग्नानाइफ, गौचो। तो चैप्टर खत्म हो चुका है। अपने बंदे जायरो के साथ बहुत ही ज्यादा बुरा हुआ। मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा मैं क्या कहूँ। बहुत ही अनफेयर